Hi, my name is Geraldine Cook, and I look forward to seeing you this year at the 2022 NGH Annual Convention and Educational Conference live in Marlborough, Massachusetts, where I will be one of the presenters. Please join me for how to run a vision board workshop for fun and profit. In this presentation, I will teach you how vision boards can grow your business by bringing in new clients and how they can segue into other workshops. We will review many types of vision boards and ways that you can incorporate them into your practice. And some of the topics will be how to define a vision board, how vision boards can benefit your clients and you, and how they really work. This presentation is designed to give you the tools to create more workshops as you grow your practice. I look forward to seeing you at this year's NGH convention.